Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and big data integration. We will explore how combining these powerful technologies can transform raw data into smart solutions and create intelligent applications through data-driven AI. So, what exactly is AI big data integration? It is essentially the synergy between artificial intelligence algorithms and massive datasets. By bringing these two together, we can create intelligent, data-driven applications that are capable of learning and adapting over time. Big data is fed into the AI models, which in turn creates smart applications. Now, let's break down the key components of this integration. First, we have the big data layer. This layer includes data storage solutions like Hadoop and NoSQL databases, data processing engines like Spark and Kafka, tools for managing data pipelines, and systems for handling real-time data streams. On the other side, we have the AI layer, which consists of machine learning models, deep learning networks, natural language processing capabilities, and computer vision technologies. Let's take a look at a typical data flow architecture for AI big data integration. It starts with data ingestion, where data is collected from various sources. Next, data undergoes processing to clean, transform, and prepare it for analysis. After that, the processed data is used to train AI models. Finally, these trained models generate intelligent outputs that can be used to make decisions or automate tasks. Here's an example of how you can implement it in Python. AI and big data integration is already transforming many industries. For example, it enables predictive analytics, which involves forecasting trends and behaviors using historical data patterns and machine learning algorithms. It also powers recommendation systems that deliver personalized content based on user behavior analysis and collaborative filtering. Some real-world industry examples include Netflix's content recommendations, Amazon's product suggestions, Google's search intelligence, Tesla's autonomous driving and healthcare diagnosis systems. Let's discuss the technical aspects of implementing AI big data integration. You'll typically need a robust technology stack that includes data processing tools like Apache Spark, Kafka, and Hadoop. For AI frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn are popular choices. For storage, you might use MongoDB, Cassandra, or HDFS. And for deployment, Docker, Kubernetes, and AWS are commonly used. Here's an example of integration implementation. Of course, integrating AI and big data also comes with its fair share of challenges. One major challenge is managing the sheer volume of data, often involving petabytes of structured and unstructured data. Another challenge is model complexity, which involves training sophisticated AI models on distributed systems. Real-time processing, where streaming data needs to be processed with very low latency, is also a significant hurdle. However, there are proven solutions to address these challenges. These include scalable architectures based on microservices and containerized deployment, AutoML pipelines for automated model training and hyperparameter optimization, and edge computing for distributed inference at the edge nodes to reduce latency. Looking ahead, there are several exciting future trends and opportunities in AI big data integration. One major trend is generative AI integration, where large language models process vast datasets to create intelligent content and insights. Another promising area is quantum computing, where quantum algorithms can accelerate complex data analysis and AI model training. All these things bring some exciting career opportunities like AI data engineer, machine learning architect, big data AI consultant, MLOps engineer, AI product manager, and data science lead. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.